What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikeydailycarry, and today I got another unboxing from a company I've worked with before, and that is Duxot watches. I've done reviews and unboxing videos on Duxot watches and have worn their watch for quite some time. I really like it. This is a new one that was sent to me, and this is the Tiburon Chronograph, and this one specifically is the brick red. It does come in 4 other colors. So inside of the box, you get the watch itself. You also get COA card, extra links, which I'm not going to use. I'm actually going to have to take some links off of this bad boy. But let's take a look at this watch. This is one of their newer releases. This is currently going for $240, but currently right now at the recording of this video, they have a 20% off discount that you can apply at checkout. And man, oh man, take a look at that, guys. That is a beauty of a watch. It looks like they went with an oyster style bracelet. Real quick wrist check. This right here is a Seiko mod. And this one specifically emulates the Ghost Daytona. Now I have another chronograph, and that's going to be this right here. That is super nice. I'm always very impressed about the quality that Duxot puts on their watches. I can't wait to put this through its paces. One thing I did notice here is that it does have a date indicator there at the bottom. Unlike this watch right here, no date on here whatsoever, but you do have it on there. You do have a rotating bezel, which has a very nice click to it. Bottom resets, top allows it to start moving, as you can see there. And if you need to reset it, boom, that brings it right back up to the top. So that's nice to see. And then you can obviously adjust the time, date, of this specific watch. To adjust it, you just got to unscrew that counterclockwise, pull that pin out, and then will allow you to adjust the time and date for the specific watch. And there you have that. A couple specs about this watch right here. It is a Japanese mecha quartz chronograph. The material of the casing is stainless steel. The case size is 42 millimeters. The thickness there is going to be 12 millimeters. From lug to lug, you're looking at 48 millimeters. And then you have a beautiful red dial there. It does have a anti-reflection coated sapphire lens. From band to band, you're looking at a 20 millimeter stainless steel with a fold over buckle with a safety lock and push button. I do gotta say that they package these watches very well. Like, I never have any issues with thinking that it'll get damaged or anything like that. They do a really good job. So you have a clasp right here that comes undone, and then you have 2 pins on the side that allows you to open that up. If you're looking for this specific model right there, let me get it close up so that way you can do a freeze frame. I mean, on my wrist, I think I'm gonna have to take out quite a few links here for sure. See that little loosey-goosey? Can't be rocking watches like that. But the minute I get that on, I mean, gosh, that red just pops. I really love that. I'll make sure to get that adjusted, give you guys a couple follow-up videos on how this watch rides on my wrist. They state that this watch does have a water resistance of 10 ATM with an overall weight of 160 grams. Not heavy at all whatsoever. I mean, compared to the one that's on my wrist and this here, I want to say it's just a little heavier, but not bad at all. They do offer free shipping worldwide on all their watches, and they also have a 2-year warranty with a free 30-day return. The Tiburon Chronograph by Duxot. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this watch. Is it a smash? Is it a pass? And tell me why. MikeyDC with Mikeydailycarry. Just want to say thank you again to Duxot for sending this watch for a review. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Welcome back.